Welcome to Ohio Valley Weather. Here's your detailed morning forecast for today. Good morning. I'm Tempest with your comprehensive weather update for November 6, 2025. Let's start off with a look at the national picture. If you're in the Pacific Northwest or Northern California, you'll want to keep an umbrella handy over the next few days as we're expecting some unsettled weather. Heavy rain is forecasted along the coastal ranges and heavy snowfall up in the higher elevations of the Cascades and northern Washington, where accumulations could reach 12 to 18 inches by early Friday. This moisture surge will also bring a bit of cooler air to the region. On the other side of the country, folks in the Ohio and Tennessee valleys, as well as parts of the central Gulf Coast, should be prepared for some potential severe weather on Friday. Meanwhile, the southwest U.S. and southern plains are looking at dry conditions with warm temperatures continuing through this period. This is thanks to a high-pressure system that will dominate the region. As we move into late Friday and Saturday, much colder air will start moving in across the upper Midwest as cold fronts push through from the Great Lakes down into the eastern U.S. The unsettled weather pattern will continue with these new atmospheric features, so keep an eye on local updates for any changes or warnings that might be issued. Looking ahead to next week, we're expecting a more amplified upper-level pattern across the nation, which means colder temperatures in the central and eastern parts of the country as several strong cold fronts push south. The west and south-central U.S., however, will remain dry under this ridge. By mid-next week, there's potential for increased precipitation chances along the west coast and in the Great Lakes region. Now let's take a closer look at what we can expect over the coming days as an amplified system takes hold across the nation. This means that while the west will see warmer and drier conditions under high pressure, the east can expect to feel much colder air moving in with several strong cold fronts sweeping through from north to south. As these fronts move through, we'll be seeing some interesting weather developments. The Midwest, Great Lakes, and Northeast are likely to experience a mix of precipitation, including some wintry elements as the cold air meets moisture. This could mean snow or ice for some areas, so it's important to stay tuned for updates on those conditions. Meanwhile, the west will remain dry under this ridge of high pressure, which is good news if you're looking to avoid rain in your outdoor plans. By mid-next week, we expect the weather patterns to start flattening out a bit as energy from the north moves through western Canada and into the Midwest and Great Lakes regions. This could bring more chances for precipitation in those areas, and also along the west coast by Wednesday and Thursday as two Pacific frontal systems move onshore. There's still some uncertainty about exactly how these systems will play out, especially towards the end of next week when a couple of low-pressure systems approach the west coast. Now let's focus on the Ohio Valley region for today and tomorrow. Starting off in Illinois, Chicago is waking up to partly cloudy skies with temperatures around 43 degrees. Expect temperatures to rise slightly overnight before we see mostly sunny conditions Thursday with a high near 58 degrees. Keep an eye on those gusty winds, reaching up to 20 miles per hour. Over in Aurora, you'll find similar weather patterns with a low around 30 degrees and partly cloudy skies tonight. Thursday will bring partly sunny conditions and a high of about 59 degrees, again with some strong gusts possible. Naperville is also looking at a partly cloudy night with temperatures hovering around 32 degrees. Thursday's forecast calls for partly sunny skies and a high near 58 degrees, with the same wind advisory in effect. Moving over to Indiana, Indianapolis will see mostly sunny conditions today, with a high of about 59 degrees. There's a slight chance of rain showers after 4 a.m. tonight, so keep your umbrellas handy if you're out late. The low is expected to be around 46 degrees. Fort Wayne residents can expect mostly sunny skies as well, with temperatures reaching up to 57 degrees today. Rain showers are possible after midnight, but the chance of precipitation is only about 30%. Tonight's low will be around 45 degrees. Evansville has a clear night ahead with a low around 40 degrees. Thursday looks sunny and warm, with a high near 64 degrees. In Kentucky, Louisville will have a sunny day today with temperatures reaching up to 63 degrees. Tonight, it's mostly clear skies and a low of about 47 degrees. degrees. Lexington is also enjoying some sunshine with a high of around 61 degrees. Expect mostly clear conditions tonight as well, with a low around 46 degrees. Bowling Green will see sunny weather today with a high near 67 degrees. Tonight's forecast calls for mostly clear skies and a low of about 9 degrees. Ohio is up next. Columbus has a mostly clear night ahead with temperatures dropping to around 35 degrees. Thursday looks sunny with a high near 57 degrees. Cleveland residents can expect a sunny day today with a high of about 52 degrees. Tonight's forecast includes mostly cloudy skies and a low of around 41 degrees. Over in Cincinnati, the night is clear with temperatures falling to around 37 degrees. Thursday will be sunny with a high near 60 degrees. Pennsylvania. Pittsburgh has a sunny day ahead today with a high of about 54 degrees. Tonight's forecast includes mostly cloudy skies and a low of around 36 degrees. Philadelphia residents can expect clear conditions tonight, with temperatures falling to around 45 degrees. Thursday will be sunny with a high near 55 degrees. Allentown is also looking at mostly sunny weather today with a high of about 54 degrees. Tonight's forecast includes mostly clear skies and a low of around 42 degrees. In Tennessee, Nashville has a mostly clear night ahead, with temperatures falling to around 46 degrees. Thursday will be sunny with a high near 71 degrees. Memphis residents can expect sunny conditions today with a high of about 74 degrees. Tonight's forecast includes mostly clear skies and a low of around 59 degrees. Knoxville is also looking at a sunny day today, with temperatures reaching up to 66 degrees. The night will be mostly clear with a low of around 44 degrees. And finally, West Virginia. Charleston has a sunny day ahead with a high near 60 degrees. Tonight's forecast includes mostly clear skies and a low of about 39 degrees. Huntington is also enjoying some sunshine today, with a high near 60 degrees. The night will be mostly clear with a low around 40 degrees. Morgantown residents can expect sunny conditions today, with temperatures reaching up to 53 degrees. Tonight's forecast includes partly cloudy skies and a low of about 35 degrees. That's your Ohio Valley forecast. I'm Tempest. Stay weather aware. That's your forecast for today. Stay weather aware and have a great day.